Good morning, students. Class ninth. Yesterday we had begun the chapter The Happy Prince. Today we shall be moving up the rest of the story that we have left, form of part 2. We left where the swallow was migrating. A migrating bird was moving with his friends to the Egypt, but suddenly, when he in one of the city, he wanted to spend a night at the feet of the prince, and the statue of a happy prince. And as about he was to sleep, he found the happy prince was weeping. He wanted to know, and happy prince told that when he was alive, he was happy because the sadness never passed into his palace. But now, when he is dead and he is at the top column of the city, watching the city people, the poor people who were unhappy because of and the unhappiness because of the problems, the sadness they have in their life. And so the happy prince asked the swallow to stay with him so that he could help few of the people, as he was gilded with the gold, two spheres with the eye, and one ruby in his sword held. So now the story, we ended up where the prince wanted the swallow to help the seamstress, and he asked the swallow to pluck the ruby from his sword, put that ruby beside that is sword, and he should fly away with that ruby and give that ruby to the poor women who is stitching who is embroidering flowers on the gown of a princess. And a boy is lying ill nearby her, and the swallow went and plucked the ruby from the sword, and he put that ruby beside the poor women. And she even found the head of a boy who was lying ill on the bed. Okay. And we see, the moment she fanned with the wings to the boy, he felt a little better. Then the swallow, he again went to happy prince, and now he again spent a day with him. And he was about to fly, the happy prince again requested that he sees a playwright who is cold and feeling cold, and even doesn't have any food to eat. And the playwright is asked to complete the story by the director. And he wanted to help the playwright also by giving him some that is things, so that he could spend his he could protect him from the cold. So swallow now the swallow went with the one of sphere that he has in his eyes, plucked that sphere, and he gave that sphere to the playwriter who was deputed to write the help the playwriters. And it was cold, and even the swallow too wanted to return back, but he was requested by the prince to help him. So he went to a playwriter, and he gave that hungry and suffering with the cold the writer the fire. And the writer felt happy, and he was now able to finish his story very soon. Now about after that, the swallow again requested happy prince that he would be leaving soon, as it is becoming very cold, and his rest of the friends, they have reached the Egypt, and he too wanted to reach the Egypt soon, so he would be moving. But again the prince requested the swallow that there is a match girl. He has found a girl carrying a match to sell, and the matches has fell her matches has fallen in the gutter, and she will be beaten by his father. and she's crying very bitterly. She's crying bitterly, and so now the prince wants to help the this match girl. So he requested the swallow to pluck this fire and put this into the hand of a girl. In this way, she would be she could be helped. So the swallow, again we see, she plucked the fire from the other eye and put that into the girl's hand so that she could be helped out. And the girl looked at this fire and she felt very happy. She felt very happy. And now the swallow again, he went to the happy prince, and the happy prince now wanted that the girl should leave, sorry, the swallow should leave, and she should leave, and she should move away. But the girl, that is and the swallow, is not ready to leave. He's not ready to leave because he found that both the eyes of the happy prince, he has lost his eyes. He lost his both eyes, and now the swallow want to stay with the happy prince. He wanted to stay his rest life with the happy prince. So here we shall be finishing up our today's session, today's class, and you have to go up with the reading up to where the match girl, she finds her matches fallen into gutter, and suddenly the swallow, she puts the fire into the hand of the girl. Thank you, students, for today.